boxer, so she always tries and become a boxer and successful. She is inspirable for other sports women. Like Mary Kom, there is always Seema Das. Seema Das was the Indian sprint runner who will win so many awards. Like in 2009, 2016, she won the 5 gold medals only in 12 days. There are so many ladies like our president, first woman president of India, and uh, but our children are not safe due to child laboring. They will go under the pressure and don't do hard work and don't able to complete their dreams. Child laboring is the social issue spread all over in the world, but one student in Pakistan who will fight against this. Name of this girl is Malala Yousafzai. She she always fight against the Taliban and try to give girls right to education. And but she wrote one book about herself. The name of that book is I Am the Girl Malala, who were fought for the girls' right and shot by the Taliban. She were shot by the Taliban, and she write this book and express her feelings in this book. So thank you.
Hi students, good morning, respected teachers, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Today's I have a special day. Today's organized a pitch competition about the child laboring. Friends, in India have the many problems, but child laboring is one of the biggest problem in our India. Why this all happened? Because of the bad peoples. Because of the bad peoples, other side we said the child is the pillars of the nation, and child is the pillars of the nation. When we see in our surroundings that many children are out of the classes, many children do their work under the ages of 13, 10, and some are kidnapped by kidnappers. Why they are kidnapped? Because of the business. It is very bad condition of our country. If someone to say you close your eyes and remain your child days, that time you will close your eyes and remain every moment which I enjoy to you. And when as like question when you ask to that student, they give only reply to you, I can't remain my childhood days because my childhood days are very tough and I can't remain it really. In our lesson, let's march. Many questions, many children's, really children's asking the question to the writers. Like their questions not only for the writers, their questions are to you, their questions for you, their questions for me. Really, our country is poor, which are not able to give the responsibility of the student. In when we see in temples, masjid, church, earn the many rupees as per day, that places are not able to do the responsibility of the student. I can't accept this. I can't accept this. When every Indian decided, when every people decided to save the child from child laboring, to save the child from slavery, that time every student are present in class. That time every student are free to learn, free to develop, and free to fly above the sky. So thank you, friends. Give me chance. I know you stay. So thank you.
Hi friends, good morning. I am Shashri. I want to express about my views about a successful woman, Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was a space woman of India. She has a various ambition. She has a various ambition she has a various ambition in her childhood life. She has an interest in the aircraft. So because of that, she was choose her career in the space science. She has a various ambition in her childhood, and she had a great she has a great woman of patience and hard worker. We know that Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian astronomer, and first Indian astronomer. He was inspired for our first pilot J.R.D. Tata, and we know that astronomer is a very difficult field for the girl. So therefore her father was encouraged to her high education, and the Kalpana was started her career in school of the Karnal Tagore in Punjab. And after her school education, he was started her post graduation in the America. He had to get admission in the America for post graduation. After that she want to study in PhD. That's why she was taken in the Canada University for the PhD. Then after he was completed her doctorate degree. She was start her career in the NASA. He was joined the NASA American Research Center. Then after she became a space passenger of NASA. Then one year later, she became a space zone member of a space zone. After in 1994 in November, Kalpana was first space mission was going to the space, and he has a mission to land on the moon. So she was living the 365 hour and 6.6 million mile of travel to in space. So in last of that she was coming to the Earth, but some was difficulty in the spacecraft and space shuttle. Then after space shuttle was totally destroyed and the Kalpana was dead. So thank you.